edition of your host, Keemstar. Let's get right into the news.
Me? Can I go out and do some breathing? And she'd say, no breathing. No noise at all.